There are 3 ways of placing an order in Icelandic. Ég ætla að fá, get ég fengið, má ég fá. However, they don't all mean the same. Ég ætla að fá is the most typical way of placing an order. It translates as I'm going to have. Get ég fengið and má ég fá translate more as would it be possible to have. The difference between these two is that má ég fá sounds a little bit more childish. As in, a child might be asking their mother at the store, "Can I have some candy? Má ég fá nammi?" Let's order some ice cream. Ég ætla að fá eina kúlu af karamelluís. Ég ætla að fá eina karamellukúlu og eina súkkulaði. Get ég fengið hálfan kúlu af karamellu og hálfan kúlu af súkkulaði? Ég ætla að fá eina vanillukúlu og má ég fá lakkrískurl út á. However, because in Icelandic casual can be polite, you can also hear these very short forms of ordering ice cream. Eina karamellu. Ég ætla að fá eina svona kúlu. The most important thing to keep in mind while ordering ice cream in Iceland is that Icelanders love their ice cream and they don't want to wait for it for long. So place your order quickly and have your money ready.